What's up, guys? I am currently headed to a pond. Cool video today. I'm supposed to go fishing with my friend for his birthday, right? And I get a phone call or a text message the other day saying, hey man, we're throwing Philip a little surprise get together for his birthday. Friend, you want to come? And I'm like, yeah man, when is it? And he said today. And I was like, oh well, me and Philip were supposed to go fishing. And he texts me back and says, oh great, well then just keep him preoccupied until 7 o'clock. So I was like, well dang, that'll be a cool video. So I decided to do it. But I'm headed to the pond. It is currently 4:20. We're gonna fish till about 6:30. Hopefully we can get a good video for y'all. But I got a new trolling motor. The old one was stolen. Got that. I had to buy a new battery, but I wanted to put it on the boat and get out there on the pond. The other day, apparently someone caught a 6.5 pounder on the pond. I know there's a 10 pounder in there. I've caught that one before, so maybe we can get us some big fish. They're out there bedding right now, but or hopefully they're bedding. But anyways, the verse of this video is John 3:16, a very well-known verse. It's one of my favorite verses. But for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him will not perish and have eternal life. So pretty much put your faith and trust in the Lord and believe in Jesus Christ and grow a relationship with him, and turn away from the world and stay in his word, and just be surrounded by like-minded other Christians, and just as long as you put your faith in him, you will have eternal life in heaven. And that's great to me. I don't ever worry about dying. I do worry about how I die. I don't want to die a terrible death, but if I do die, I know where I'm going, and I hope you do too. But anyways, we're gonna get into this video. I will see y'all when we get to the pond. Oh my God, that's really terrible. There's one. I got a fish. Yeah, there it is. Y'all look at that, bro. The pond looks amazing right now. Oh, I'm excited to get out there. The boat's over there on the ground. It's a little tin boat. We can get over there. Someone cutting grass beside it. But dude, the pond just looks beautiful, dude. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Anyways, let's get out there. Alright guys, we got these old crusty paddles just in case the trolling motor decides to quit running. Alright, we got the trolling motor right here, ready to go. Hooked up to I needed a 12 deep cycle battery, but all they had was 24 at Royal King, so that's what we got. Oh, yep, let's get it in the water. I'm about to get a little wet. I think there is a little bit of a leak down there in the front. Oh, this water's cold. Oh, it's chilly. It is chilly. And there goes the wind. I'm gonna have to get deeper in there, huh? Oh, take off my shoes. Take off the shoes. Just in case. Alright, here we go. Let's get this boat out here. God dog, dude. This wind ain't playing. This wind, not playing. I need to die down just for a second so that I can get out here in the water. This wind is not playing. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we are out here and we are struggling. This wind is really strong right now. And I'm trying to, we're taking on a little bit of water. I don't know if that's from me getting in and out of the boat, but hopefully I can get out here. I'm currently driving backwards solely because I don't want to drive forwards right now. This wind keeps taking us. Oh, look at the toes. Look at them. Oh, dude. I ain't gonna be able to fish at all today. This wind don't die down. Dude, look at that. Just trying to cast into the wind. Oh my goodness. I have a fish. He ate it as soon as it, but I'm wrapped around something. Oh, okay. Got it. There we go. First cast, fish. Nice. It's not a bad one either. Or about not a bad one. You know what I mean. Oh. Oh yeah. Fish number one. First cast. So I'm all up on some sticks right here, dude. All up on some sticks right here. There's a bunch of sticks underneath, you know, when the... There's one. Oh, they are biting right now. Almost every single cast has been a fish right now. Almost every single one. Yeah, I can't. Dude, fighting this wind is just different, dude. Right now I'm fishing a little speed worm. Seems to be doing the trick. Just ain't catching me no big ones like I wanted to. If you just catch me some big ones, I'd be doggone excited man. Fish is banked real fast. Well, the wind's not so strong. Dude, I got a fish on right now. You're kidding me, bro. Little bitty. Dude, these fish are biting right now, dude. Goodness gracious. Stop fighting me. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that. Just gonna be fishing out here for these small bass and nothing much more. Oh, something had it. Something still have it. Yeah, there he is. Oh. That's what we're catching right there, guys. We're catching these giants. These giant bass out here. Uh-oh. We better... Dude, will you chill out, bro? Oh my goodness, I had a fish on, dude. You're kidding me. Wait, he took the back end of it. Oh, that's so depressing. Oh, I was moving and fished at the back end of it. I'm not gonna get him back. And there goes another Guggen bait. And I just missed him again. Did my line break off? No, the homie took my... Dude. Dude, the backlash... Oh, it didn't backlash, but it keeps getting caught. Every time I hook into something, it gets caught the next cast. There's one. Definitely not a big one. Oh, dude, if we could just catch a big one, that'd be nice. All I want for Christmas is you. Dun, dun, dun. Yo, chill out, pal. If you shake, I get hooked in the hand. I am football throwing you back in the water. Oh my goodness, right in the top of the mouth. Perfect hook set. Perfect. I'm pretty positive I hit his brains up there. Looks like it in there, don't it? So, hopefully this video goes good. I mean, I'm in a sinking boat, fighting the wind. The wind ain't too strong right now. With a brick as an anchor. Fighting my Guggen squad baits. I keep breaking every cast. Man, I love those guys. I really do. They really are some, yeah, look at that. They really are some inspirations. Well, they're the reason I started fishing. And I'm hoping one day I can get to that level so I can go fishing with them. But we shall see. We shall see. Dude, every time you catch a fish, this thing decides to knot up somewhere, man. So frustrating. So you know how they say fish follow the current, right? And I guess in ponds it's really not currents unless it's wind-related currents. So I think the reason I'm catching all these bass over here on these sets of sticks over here is due to, look, I think I got one. Yeah, I got one on. No, I missed them though. But it's due to, I guess, them following the current. I guess well, they don't follow the current. They follow the bait fish, the shad, the bluegill, all them little ones. But maybe I didn't have fish. It's okay. But I think that's why they're rotating over here. Rotating, Rocket League terms. I think they're migrating over here due to the bait fish, and the bait fish are going because of the wind. So maybe we can hook into a big one in just a second. Just maybe. We're on top of the sticks right now. Maybe this anchor get caught on it. There's a fish on right there. I would say it feels like a good one, but it probably ain't. Don't get hung up inside that anchor, please. Get out from underneath the boat. Come on now. This dude is on a tree limb, dude. Dude, get off a tree limb. Oh, there we go. Here we are, man. Fish number, I don't even know how many we're at right now. I mean, they're not bad sized fish. They're just, you know, this pond, it wasn't until the past few years that they started taking out the small ones, or the ones that are too small. Yep, there we go. Bait destroyed. Yo guys, Philip is here. He is now pulling up over there inside of his nice truck. Well, I'm hung up. Let me get this unhung and I'll go grab him and then we'll keep filming. Alright guys, I'm out here with Philip. Philip, say hi.
What's up?
Yeah, we got him the speed worm on, and we are now gonna drift all the way back to the other side of the pond due to the wind, you know, because we're fighting wind, we're fighting a sinking boat. Philip didn't want to get in because the boat was sinking, but
yeah,
that's right, he wants to fish. And it was recently Philip's birthday. But anyways, he's about to throw the brick in. Philip, brick. Nice. Good form. Good form. And we're about to start fishing. Here we go. Watch out for my rods too. Don't step on my rods. Where you want to throw this is going to be in the sticks over here, Philip. Like kind of over here. Yeah. Sticks over here. That's where you want to throw. How many times have you fished before? Let up the bell. Let the bell all the way up.
Oh.
Yeah, now, wait, hold up. Now, grab the line. Grab the line. Let the bell up.
Yeah.
Pull back, hold it. Let go of the line whenever you set the... Oh my goodness. I swear, dude. Oh. There he is, Philip. He's getting you all wet. All right, Philip, throw yours in there. Throw it in there. You gotta do better than throw it in.
It's been a while.
It's been a while, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, just reel like that. There you go, when you feel something, grab it, just yank up on it. But like, wait like a second. Okay, you want the worm a little bit deep in the water. You wanna let it sink a little bit.
Gotcha.
But yeah, fish number, I don't even know. We've been catching them today though. All right, now, pick up the worm. Yeah, now throw it again. Hey man,
Been a minute.
we're gonna get you a big one today, boy. All right, so Philip's over there with the speed worm. Philip, stand up. Come on now. Get back here, stand up. No, careful now. We ain't trying to die.
No.
But you know, I'm not trying to fall in here. There's too much stuff I gotta save. Oh yeah, I missed one. Too much stuff I gotta save in here. If we do. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
There you go. Now.
It's been a hot minute.
Throw it that direction. You gotta throw it harder than that, Philip. Come on now. You gotta get it out there. Now, keep your rod tip down a little bit. Down. Like that. And reel in like that. And then you're gonna feel something like go and you're just gonna yank upwards. Like that, you see? Oh, it felt like a big one, but he was hugging the sticks. Oh man, I was so excited for a second, dude. I think that, oh, he's hung in the sticks again. There we go, dude. He felt massive for a second. Oh yeah. They are biting right now. Just reel. That one you just reel. All right, yeah, you gotta reel a little bit faster so it's not on the ground.
I know.
Reel. In just a second, we'll pick up the anchor and head towards the other stick. Seems like the fish are over there. I just wanted to come over here real fast. I was only. Dude, is that house on fire? Oh no, there's a burn barrel right there. There's smoke coming out of that house right there. Look like coming out the top, but I see it in the burn barrel. You see the burn barrel right there underneath the tree?
I smelled it before I saw it.
Yeah, I was too. And I thought the house was on fire. All right, well, we're good. If we see it spread anymore, we'll run over there real fast. Yeah, there he is. Oh my goodness, he is. Philip, get the net. Get the net, Philip. Get the net. Get the net, Philip. There is no net. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Hey, man.
I got.
You got. You got. Oh.
Hey now. Quit acting up.
Oh. Philip, hold the fish so I can send a photo. So
I didn't catch it. I didn't know.
Philip caught his first fish. Oh, can I get it out? There we go. Here you go. Guys, look. Philip caught his first fish today.
I caught it. Totally got it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, put the fish back in the water. Nice. Good job, Philip. You gonna cast?
Yeah.
What are you waiting on?
You.
You just standing there waiting for me to finish casting? You just had to cast right there?
Yeah.
Can't cast anywhere else? What's wrong?
Not a problem, is
Yeah. It is a problem. I almost fell in the water.
it? That is a major problem.
So you're just gonna
Undo it, undo it.
Yeah. There you go. And now hold the line with your other hand while you reel. Yeah, hold your line like that while you reel. Yeah, reel in like that. Hold up. There you go, reel.
Yeah.
There you go. Hold up.
Oh,
See, that right there is a fish, okay? That I just caught by the boat. Yours is a tree.
I caught something big.
Yeah, you did. It's huge. All right, hand me that. Here, wait, hold on, let me get this fish off.
I felt good for a second, man.
Yeah, I felt good when I heard that drag pulling, man. I was like, dang. And then I realized your pole was going nowhere if you just reeling. I was like, all right. Give me a kiss.
I ain't kissing him.
Why are you braced like that? You're like braced.
I was told by a coworker today I have fantastic balance.
Do you?
I have not had to be tested.
Yo, got him a fish. No, he really didn't though. Alright guys, right now we are headed back to my house to drop off the stuff, but then we are going to go look at a guitar for me at a mutual friend's house. Little does Philip know, all the way back there following me, that we are going to his surprise party for his birthday. So, unfortunately, Philip could not catch a fish. Maybe next time. Look at this, guys. Look at the ducks. Look at him. He's scared. Hey, pal. Hey, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Hey, what are you looking at? You want to fight? You fight? He's scared. Ah, he's following me. Anyways, so we are going. We are headed to my house to, take Philip to his little surprise party. So we will see y'all at the surprise party.
Slow down.
We are headed. Oh my goodness, almost wrecked.
That was close. What was that?
We are headed to go check out my guitar and then going to eat. What's up, Philip? Say what's up.
Howdy, y'all.
Making our way down.
Your hair. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's long.
You want to grow out?
Okay, I knew I was fishing with him. I didn't know I was going to see you, and I had no idea I was taking a shower at his house. But
You took a shower at his?
that's why this is like this. But we're cooking tonight, too.
We are cooking.
We got a smash burger tacos. Some secret smash burger tacos.
Yeah. It's mine. Don't you put it down.
Free falling.
That was good. That was great.
Smash burger tacos. Pretty good. They're a little smashed and they're a burger. Picture for Steven.
gonna be it for this video. You know, we went bass fishing, did my friend's surprise party, and also y'all saw some dive training we did that we're doing for our fire department. Me and CJ over here, dive training, because we're having a dive team, dive and rescue, recovery, and everything. But there will be more footage. We're going to the ocean later on this month, so y'all be sure to subscribe so that y'all can watch that footage of us in the ocean. We're going to a spring and then the ocean the next day. Anyways, I'll see y'all
when I was searching
video.
for the light. Jesus came and made things right. Jesus is faithful. He'll never fail me. He'll always be